Good morning, good afternoon, everyone, wherever you are in the world today. My name is Hamaton Monyalo, a gold executive from Kenya. I have been in this business for the last 6 months, and I am bringing to you the marketing compensation plan of AIM Global today. This compensation plan today has been voted as the top compensation plan 2015. It's actually the number one compensation plan in the whole world today. So as I'm talking to you, this compensation is being voted number one. And so we ask ourselves, why is this compensation plan voted number one? It is number one first because our compensation plan, we call it hybrid redundant compensation plan. Hybrid because it pays you in three different ways. One way is binary, the other one is unilevel, and of course tested. Now these three have been put together so that they help you get maximum monies from this company, from whatever you're doing every day. Now again, it's hybrid because in Alliance in Motion, there is no such thing as monthly requirement. We do not have mandatories. So this is the best compensation plan we've ever had in the world today. And so our mission in this company is very simple: to promote and protect human health and turn ordinary people into extraordinary millionaires. That is the mission of this company. And the business, we call it, this compensation plan is a game changer. It's a game changer because it is turning ordinary people very fast into extraordinary millionaires. This gentleman called Robert Kiyosaki of Cash Flow Quadrant says there are 4 types of quadrants in the world today. We have E, employees, and we have the other one called S. This is self-employed. These 2 categories of people, they cover 95% of the world population. These are very miserable groups. These are the people who work. They work for them to earn money. They go to work between 8 to 5. And employees are people who actually, I call them slaves, because they really have a lot of problems because they are dependent on other employers for them to survive. And so the business starts. Any big, good businessman, you must be at least a business owner for you to start operating. And you must be also an investor. And this is where the business starts. Network marketing is being a business owner. Who is a business owner? Business owner is somebody who has over 500 people working for you. And this is not easy because if you have to go outside the world, you must get a big company. You must have a lot of capital to employ over 500 people. Network marketing gives you an edge. It gives you an edge to get 500 people to work with you and take you to the next level and become a business owner and become an investor in a very short time. And so, ladies and gentlemen, we have these 2 guys, Robert Kiyosaki and Donald Trump. These guys, they say there are many benefits. Why should you do network marketing? They say there are many benefits in network marketing. It offers more to those who want more from their lives. It also, network marketing has been proven to be a viable and rewarding source of income where ordinary people are turned into extraordinary millionaires. It gives a person the power to transform other people's lives. This is about network marketing. And so, why is this competition so unique? Now, we say like this: the rich build networks, others are looking for jobs. This is what's happening in the world today. The rich are always building networks. The poor people are always teaching their children to go to school and eventually look for jobs. Network marketing is a business of leverage where you multiply time, you multiply effort, you multiply skills, resulting to massive income for all of the people who are doing network marketing. And so the next thing we want to talk about is building wealth through building people. That's network marketing. You build people. When you build people, you build yourself. Because it's through building people that you build this industry. You build yourself. And as these people below you earn money, you also earn a lot of money. That's why we say, I would rather earn 1% of 100 people's effort than 100% of my own effort. Because if I earn 1% of the 100 people, in case 1% of me, I don't work, I still have 99% to take me to somewhere and still keep earning money every day. So network marketing has a lot of advantages, and advantages are this: you need to start very small, but in your mind, think and dream big. That's the aim. You must think and dream big. I mean, I say this: you must have dreams which scare you. I mean, if you have dreams that don't scare you, basically you have no dreams. If you have real dreams, you must make sure your dreams, every morning you wake up, you think about them, you're getting scared of yourself because you know you have a big task to do. And this is what we're talking about network marketing. When you start small, you grow exponentially, you earn unlimited income, because most people earn limited income. They know what they're going to earn this week. They know what they're going to earn next week, next month. You know, that is limited income. Network marketing, you put effort, and as time goes by, you earn a lot, excess good money. We call it unlimited income. Now, we say enjoy team leverage. You don't work alone, you work as a team. It's a teamwork. So as you build your team, you leverage on one another, you help one another, you teach the team, you grow the team, you actually make people be like you because you are the leader of the team. And as you grow, all of the team grows together. And this leads to a very successful career. You have a wonderful lifestyle. And what happens? You have good health, you have daily and monthly income, travel incentives, and above all, luxury cars and luxury homes. Because this is all people are looking for. People are looking for luxury cars and luxury homes. Easy, join network marketing. Come to this great compensation plan. Now, why is AIM Global so unique? It is unique because when you join Alliance with Motion, first thing, it's a once a lifetime international registration. What do I mean? I mean, when you join once, you don't pay anything monthly. We don't have monthly fees. We don't have at the end of the year, you must renew your account. You don't do that. We don't have mandatories. And we call it an international registration because you can recruit anybody anywhere in the world today. If you're in USA, if you're in Europe, if you're in Africa, you can do it anywhere and anybody can join your business wherever they are. Unique breakthrough products. Alliance in Motion has the best products today. Unique, so we call them unique breakthrough products. I know by now, your products are very unique if you listen to our product plan. Now, distributor-friendly marketing compensation plan, this is what I'm talking about. It's very friendly, very friendly compensation plan. Real-time DTC. Now, this one will give you a username and a password. And you can go to your website, see what activities have been going on in the day, and you can see all your monies there every day. Above all, we have daily payout commissions because Alliance in Motion is the only network marketing that pays daily. Now you work today, take your money to the bank right in the evening, and tomorrow you have your money in your bank. That's how good Alliance in Motion is. Now we also have incentives. We have USA, Europe, and Asian incentives just to help you move these countries because most of the people I know have not been able to visit even one country in their lives. Alliance in Motion gives you an opportunity to visit many of these countries as an incentive. The government gives you incentives. Now, how do you join this business? Because this is the question everybody is asking. How do I join Alliance in Motion? Now, you only need $240. You buy products, pack worth $240. We give you 4 numbers 24/7, 2 numbers complete, 2 numbers live and coffee, 1 number by Choco, and this qualifies you to be registered as a member of Alliance in Motion Global. Now, very interesting. Alliance in Motion again allows you to open even 3 accounts. Now, I ask you very simple. If you have a shop in one street and you have 1 shop and another guy has 3 shops, who earns more? Definitely the person with 3 shops earns more. What about somebody who has 7 shops? 7 shops even earns much more money. Now, it's the same concept. Alliance in Motion allows you to join with 3 or 7 different accounts with the same name, not different names, same name. This gives you a bigger leverage and increases your earning amazingly. Now, if you join with 7 accounts, you need $1,680. And here we give you 28 C24/7s, 14 live and coffee, 14 complete, and 7 my chocos. Now, amazing, because this is gonna change your life now. These are big. It's like you've opened now 7 shops in one street. So you're gonna have a very big income. Now, when you join, this is a global starters pack. We give you a free distributor tracking center. That's a username and a password to do the business. Then we give you a lifetime 25% lifetime discounts. That means whatever you buy in this company, you'll be getting 25% discounts ever for the rest of your life. Above all, again, we give you a business kit and free trainings. You'll be trained for free by the people who brought you in the business. I mean, that's all about Alliance in Motion. We have 7 ways of earning, okay? 7 ways of earning. I mean, you earn on retail profit, you earn on direct referral bonus, you earn on match sales bonus, you also earn on Unilevel, you earn on StairStep, you also earn on reality income, and above all, you earn on profit sharing. I mean, amazing. This is all most of the people are looking for in their lives. Now you earn in 7 different ways. Now, let's go to, most of them you know how to retail. Retail means you buy something at a lower price and you sell at a higher price. I mean, that's the retail. I mean, 25-50% discount profit should be good for you. I mean, let me take you to where the money is, where network marketing starts. And this is where we start. You join the business with your $240. Is a binary system. You bring 2 people because a binary of ratio of 1 to 1. Bring 1 person on the left, bring 1 person on the right. Now, by bringing 2 people, you immediately earn $11 for each person you bring. You immediately earn $11 for each person you bring. So that brings you a total of $22. Then immediately you bring 2 people, the company releases to you a matching bonus, a binary of $33. That is automatic. You don't need to call anybody, you don't need to ask anybody anything. That money just comes to you automatically. Now remember, you brought A and B in the business. And A and B, they also bring their 2 people on left and right. Now what happens when they bring their 2 people, they also earn $11, $33, $55. Both of them get $55. Now remember, you only brought 2 people. What happens to you? Immediately, these guys get their monies. You also give them $33 for the first 2 people who match and another $33 for the second matching. So in total, you have $121. Now this system continues to infinity. The people on the left, as they work, the people on the right, as they work, you'll be getting your $33 as many as times as possible. This system earns to infinity. So if you remember, you only brought 2 people. And now these 2 people are bringing you people, and as you motivate them, you teach them how to do the business, the money keeps flowing to you in $33 as much as your team is working. Now it's very simple. Bring 2 people, teach them how to bring their 2, and as they bring their 2, your 33 keeps flowing to infinity. I mean, this is what happens every day. People are earning this money daily, and it's not a big deal for you, okay? Now, let me take you to Unilevel. Let's talk about Unilevel. If you join Alliance in Motion, of course, you join the starter pack, and after some time, your products get finished. So what happens? You must buy products. You must do some reorders. When you do reorders of this product, what happens? Your team, your people you brought directly to you, the one you recruited first, you earn 10% from them. From 2nd to 10th level, you earn 5%. That's huge. Those are on reorders. Okay? This system is so nice that we call it a dynamic compression. It's been compressed. That means on your 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th level, if they don't work, this company will go pay you until 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th level. In short, the company must make sure they pay you 10 levels. It's compressed, it's dynamic compression. So this company, come rain, come sunshine, they must pay you 10 levels. Okay? So the other way I want to teach you about is StairStep. Amazing. StairStep, another way we call it overriding commission. We call it overriding because you're already earning money. So you're already riding. So overriding means you override. You still earn on top of the earnings. And this makes you earn a lot of money. If you don't earn this, you earn that. If you don't earn that, you earn another way. So basically, this again is a reorder business. When people do reorders as a distributor on stair step, you earn nothing. If you're just a distributor, you earn nothing. But immediately you gather 10 points, you become a silver executive, you start earning 10% of your team. Again, when you gather 100 points, you become a gold executive like me, and you start earning 20% of your team. Now last, you earn 1,000 points, you become a global ambassador, you earn 30% of your team reorders. Now in Alliance in Motion, a very amazing company, we do not have something called, it's a group reorder accumulations. In these points are accumulative. It's not like this month you do, next month they flash up. No, these points are accumulative. From silver executive to global ambassador, these points are yours forever. So what happens? No time frame in this business. You work at your own pace. Your problems, the ones will make you work faster. If you have no problems, you do it slowly. I mean, it depends on you. No reversion. No demotion. In the Alliance in Motion, no demotion. You can't become a gold executive. Another day we tell you you're a distributor. No way. You gold executive, you become a global ambassador, you are global ambassador forever. So what? No pass-ups. No, most companies you could work and then people surpass you. In Alliance in Motion, you never surpass anybody. I mean, wherever you become, if you brought somebody, you never surpass him, never surpass you in levels. You can never become a gold executive before the somebody who brought you. Now let's talk about 1 year scenario earnings on binary only. We're not talking about Unilever, we're not talking about test step. We're only talking about binary. That's matching bonuses. Now, if you bring one person and you have you join with one account, and every month your team brings 2. October they bring 2, November they bring 2, they become 4, they become 8, 16, 32, and every month 2. At the end of 1 year, you'll have 8,000 people. And when you have 8,000 people, you would be having $64,383 US. I mean, that's a 1 year scenario. Just by bringing 2 every month, you will be getting your $64,000. Now let's take somebody with 3 accounts. What happens if somebody has 3 accounts? It's very interesting because on the same effort, 2, every month 2, they bring 2. At the end of the year, you have the same number of people. Over 8,000 people. If you have 8,000 people, but you have 3 accounts, you have many shops in one street, what do you get? You get much more. You earn more money. You have $193, $193,000. Okay, that's somebody with 3 accounts. Now let's see somebody with 7 accounts. What happens? If you have 7 accounts, this is the scenario. The scenario is different. Now you have 7 shops in one street. So it means your earnings is gonna be very, very high, more than somebody earning 3 with 3 shops. What happens now? You're gonna earn very, very good money. After 1 year, you'd have still 8,000 people. The same effort somebody with 1 account does is the same effort you put, but see, your earnings are being different. See what you're gonna be earning? $450,000. That's within 1 year. This is a 1 year scenario. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an amazing thing. So we need to put 7 accounts. If you want to benefit best in Alliance in Motion, join with 1 account and open 7 accounts all together. And ladies and gentlemen, you're gonna earn amazing money. This is the best compensation plan I have in the world today. My name is Hamaton Manyalo, Gold Executive from Kenya. Thank you so much for listening to me. Wherever you are, thank you so much. We'll see you soon. See you at the top. Thank you.